Experiment 4-probe method. 4-probe method is one of the standard and most commonly used method for the accurate measurement of resistivity. It overcomes the problems of contact resistance and also offer several other advantages. The application of 4-probe method in remote sensing area, resistance thermometers, induction hardening process, accurate geometry factor estimation and characterization of fuel cell bipolar plates. Aim: to study the energy band gap of a semiconductor using 4-probe method. Apparatus used. 4-probe setup has 3 subunits. All are enclosed in a single cabinet such as constant current source, multi-range digital voltmeter and oven power supply. This is an electrical oven for the variation of temperature of the crystal from room temperature to about 200 degrees Celsius. This is a thermometer to measure temperature, and the sample, that is germanium crystal, is shown here, and 4-probe arrangement. Now in order to explain the 4-probe arrangement, I am just bringing the demo piece. This is a 4-probe arrangement. It has 4 individually spring-loaded probes. They are collinear and equally spaced. The distance between the probes is 2 mm. This 4-probe is mounted with a Teflon bush and Teflon spacer that helps for good electrical insulation between the probes and also which helps to keep the probes at equal distance. This probe is mounted with a suitable stand. This stand not only holds the 4-probe but also holds the plate containing sample. Later we are going to place the sample here. So the whole setup is served as a lid for the electrical oven like this. And this 4-probe arrangement also consists of 3 leveling screw at the top. Using this leveling screw, one can adjust the platform in order to make it horizontal. In this 4-probe arrangement, a probe holding screw is also provided at the collar of the 4-probe arrangement. So using this, one can adjust the probe pipe in order to bring it down and up. Initially, this probe holding screw must be in the loose position and then place the sample on the plate. Once the sample is placed on the plate, lower the probe holding screw in order to touch the 4 point of the probe on the sample. Then tighten the probe holding screw by applying a gentle pressure. While applying a gentle pressure, care should be taken because germanium crystal is very brittle in nature. If we apply a large pressure on it, that leads to damage. Then this 4-probe, among this 4-probe, the outer 2 pair of the probe is used to supply the current to a semiconductor and inner 2 pair of the probe is used to measure the voltage of the semiconductor. This 4-probe is connected with the connecting wires. Among this, black terminal is used to connect voltmeter and pink wire is used to connect current source. Now this 4-probe arrangement is ready for the experiment. Then we have to place this 4-probe arrangement into the electrical oven like this. Now it is placed already. 4-probe arrangement is kept inside the electrical oven, and now we have to place thermometer inside the electrical oven in the hole provided. Now switch on the AC mains of the 4-probe setup. Put the digital panel meter to current measuring mode using selector switch. Then set the current to 5 milliamps using knob. Again, put the panel meter to current measuring voltage measuring mode using selector switch. Now rate the heating mode to high level, then switch on the oven power supply. Once the oven power supply is switched on, the temperature keeps on increases because oven gets heated. Therefore, the significant number of electrons excites from valence band to conduction band in the semiconductor. That leads to electrical conductivity of a semiconductor. That is nothing but as the temperatures increases, the electrical conductivity of a semiconductor also increases. That is nothing but semiconductor has negative temperature coefficient of resistance. Observation and calculation. Formula to calculate energy band gap of a semiconductor. It is given as Eg is equal to 2K into 2.303 into log rho by 1 by T, where Eg is the energy band gap of a semiconductor crystal in electron volt. K is a Boltzmann constant. The value is 1.38 into 10 to the power of minus 23 joule per Kelvin or 8.6 into 10 power minus 5 electron volt per degree. Here, rho is the variation of resistivity of semiconductor with temperature, where T is temperature in Kelvin. In order to calculate the resistivity of a semiconductor, we have another formula. Rho is equal to V by I into D, where I is the voltage across the semiconductor crystal in volts. I is the current through the semiconductor crystal. D is the constant. It is given as 2 pi s by G7 into W by S, where S is the distance between the probe in 2 millimeter. W is the thickness of the crystal. It is 0.5 millimeter, and G7 is the correction factor for W and S. So since all these values are a constant, by substituting, one can get the value of constant D, that is equal to 2.22 into 10 to the power of minus 3 in meter. This is a tabular column to study the variation of resistivity of a semiconductor with different temperature. The parameters are temperature in degree Celsius, temperature in Kelvin, voltage in volts, rho is the resistivity 1 by T in Kelvin per Kelvin, log rho. Here we know that Kelvin temperature we can get by adding plus 273 to all the values. Now once the oven power supply is switched on, temperature increases. For every 10 degree rise in temperature, corresponding voltage across the semiconductor should be noted. Now the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. For that, the corresponding voltage is 0.349 for 313 Kelvin. Similarly, for 50 degrees Celsius, the corresponding voltage should be recorded. So, till the temperature attains 150 degree, just record the values of voltage. Once the voltage is calculated, we can easily find out the resistivity with this formula. Then calculate 1 by T per Kelvin. Then log to the base 10 rho. Once the values are recorded and calculated, the tabular column will be like this. Then plot the graph for variation of resistivity of a semiconductor with a different temperature by taking one by T into 10 to the power of minus 3 per Kelvin along x-axis, log to the base 10 rho along y-axis. Here the scale for this graph is x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 per Kelvin. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.1. Once we plot the graph for the recorded reading, we'll get a graph like this. Then draw the slope for the straight line curve and calculate log rho by 1 by T, because log rho by 1 by T is itself a slope. By substituting the traced value in the slope, we'll get m is equal to 1636. Once slope is calculated, substitute the value of slope obtained in the energy expression. Eg is equal to 2K into 2.303 into log rho by 1 by T, where log rho by 1 by T is the slope. Substitute and get the value of energy band gap, that is 0.648 electron volt. Result, the energy gap of a given semiconductor using 4-probe method, that is Eg is equal to 0.648 electron volt. For pure germanium crystal, the energy band gap is 0.71 electron volt. There is an experimental error always. That's why we got 0.648 electron volt energy band gap for a semiconductor crystal.